So good morning students, in the previous class we did that up to third sum. Today is the fourth sum. Find the fourth proportion of 4, 9, 32. Let fourth is equal to x. Writing in the form of proportion 4 is to 9 is to is equal to 32 is to x. What is called proportion means comparison of two quantities is called proportion. Ratio, comparing of two ratios is called proportion. Two ratios comparison. How will you compare that one means POE POM. Using the POE, POM. Writing of advance 4 into x is equal to 9 into 32. We want to know the value of x. X is equal to 9 into 32 by 4. 9 into 32 by 4. Cancellation 4 table 1 time, 8 times. 9 4 9 8 are 72. So the sum answer is 72. Therefore, fourth one is equal to 72. Fourth one is equal to 72. Let fourth proportion is equal to x. Now writing of this sum 0.6 is to 1.5 is equal to 3 is to x. Writing of POE, POM. 0.6 into x is equal to 1.5 into 3. Now writing of x is equal to 1.5 into 3 by 0.6 by 0.6. Decimal form we want to change, that is 15 by 10 into 3 by 6 by 10. 6 by 10 which is equal to 15 by 10 into 3 into 10 by 6. Taking off reciprocal 10 by 6. Taking off reciprocal 10 by 6. Now cancellation 10 and 10 will cancel. Using that one 3 table 2 times 5 times 5 3s 15 by 2. The 6 will change as 2. So 15 by 2 is 7.5. The answer for the sum is 7.5. Write these two sums in your CW. So here is the sum 3 hours 12 minutes 24 minutes 1 minute 68 centimeters. We know that 1 hour is equal to, we know 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So 3 hours 12 minutes we want to change. That is 3 hours means 3 into 60 plus 12. That is 180 plus 12 is equal to 192 minutes. This 3 hours is changed as 3 hours 12 minutes is changed as 192 minutes. How it is changed means 3 hours means 60 minutes. 3 into 60, 180 plus already 12 minutes is there. Total it is 192 minutes. This one is changing here. We know 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So 1 meter 68 centimeters is equal to 100 plus 68. That is equal to 168 centimeters. 168 centimeters. Now the sum is changed as 192 minutes, comma 24 minutes, comma 168 centimeters, comma x. Let. We are taking as x let. First one, second one, third one, fourth one. According to that one, substituting in the ratio 192 is to 24 is equal to 168 is to x. POE, POM. The product of means is equal to product of extremes. Using the POE, POM, x is equal to 24 into 168 by, this 24 into 168 by, this one will come in the denominator 192. Using that cancellation in which table? So using of cancellation 192 in 3 table we will cancel that once. Cancellation 8 times, 8 3s are 24, 6 3s are 18, 6 3s are 18, 12, 12 is 4 times. 8 table 1 time, 8 times, 8 table 1 time, here 2 times 1 time. X is equal to 21 centimeters. It is in the form of, the missed one is centimeters, so write that one centimeters. This is the sum for us. This 3 hours 12 minutes is changed as 192. 1 meter 68 is changed as 168. The sum is changed as 192, 24, 168 x. 24 and 168 multiplication, x is equal to 24 into 168 by 192, cancellation is 21 centimeters. 21 centimeters. This is the sum answer for us. And the next model is find the mean proportion. So mean proportion means we are having a formula. Mean proportion formula. Mean is equal to root of A into C. Mean proportion formula is root of A into C. Now writing of that one mean. Mean is equal to, this is called A, this is called B. That is 81 into 121. 81 into 121. This 81 root. Which number root is 81? 9 9s are 81. Write that one. 9 into 9 into 11 into 11. This 121 is changed. Put the brackets. That is equal to, each and every bracket will give only one thing. 9 into 11. That is 99. The mean proportion for this sum is 99. Here is the sum 9 into 9. 81 means 9 9s are 81. 11 11s are 121. Which number is multiplied 2 times is called finding a square. Which number is multiplied is called square, and which number is multiplied we will find is called square root. Using that model we have to do. And the another one sum is here, see that. So here is the sum, next one. We want to find the mean. Mean is equal to root of A into C formula. Substituting the formula, mean is equal to root of 2 by 3 into 8 by 27. Root means same number. 81 means which number is multiplied 2 times means 9 is multiplied. Here 2 means no number is there for to find. 27 also no number is there to find. Then what we have to do? We have to write in the form of prime factor method. That is called, first number, take the numerator number 8, 2 table 4, 2 table 2, 2 table 2. This 8 is changed as like this. Now 3 prime number 27. We have to write it from 27 in the form of prime numbers. 3, 9, 3, 3 table 1 time. Now write that one as mean is equal to root of 2 into, this numerator 8 is changed as 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2 into 2 by this 3 into 27 is changed as 3 into 3 into 3. 3 into 3 into 3. What is called square means combining of the same two numbers with brackets. First two, next two. First two, next two. Each and every cell will use one number. 1, 2, another 2 by 3 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9. So answer for this sum is 4 by 9. 4 by 9. Answer for this sum is 4 by 9. Like that only another one sum. See here. One by 25 and 1 by 16. Fifth one, 1 by 25 and 1 by 16. What we have to find is mean proportion. Mean is equal to root of A into C formula. Substituting in the formula, mean is equal to 1 by 25 into 1 by 16 root. Numerators 1 by 25 means which number multiplication is 25? 5 into 5, same number, into 1 by 16 means 4 into 4. 16 is means 1 into 16, 2 into 8, 4 into 4, 8 into 2, 16 into 1. But out of this all, this same number is 4 4s are 16. So that's why we wrote 4. Put a bracket, put a bracket. Each and every bracket will use 1. The numerator is 1, 1 by 5. The numerator is 1, the numerator is 1 and the denominator is 5. Denominator first one is 5 into 1 by 4, 1 by 20. 1 by 20. 1 by 5 into 1 by 4 is 1 by 20. 1 by 5 into 1 by 4 is 1 by 20. The mean proportion for this sum is 1 by 20. Here I am writing that one. See here again once. That is 1 by 5 into 1 by 4. This 5 will become 1 time. 4 is 1 time. That is 1 by 20. Answer is 1 by 20. How could you got 1 by 20 means 5, 4 by 4s are 20. And the next sum is see here. Find the third proportion. The next sum is find the third proportional. What is the given sum? Find the third proportional. What is called third proportional means the middle two numbers are same. Third proportional means the middle two are same. Which two are same means this 12 is same. So write that one. Solution 36 comma 12 comma 12 comma x. Let we have to write this order. What is that order means? 36 comma 12 comma 12 comma x. 36 12 12 x. Writing of this formation 36 comma 12 comma 12 comma x. Why I wrote 12 two times? Because the question is given with third proportion and two values are given. If three are given, third place will become x, but only two values are given, so that middle two will be same. Now writing of that one, 36 is to 12 is equal to 12 is to x. POE POM. Condition of proportion POE POM. X is equal to 12 into 12 by 36, which is combining with x will come to the denominator. Cancellation using 20 table 1 time, 3 times, 3 times, 4 times. Answer is 4. Therefore, fourth proportional is 4. The third proportional for this answer is 4. And the next sum is here. Here also it is given with two values. Here also it is given with two values, and they are asking about the third one. How to find the third one means using the mean proportional values. Third proportional means middles are same. So writing down the solution 1.2 comma 0.6 comma 0.6 comma x let. The fourth one will become x, but we have to call it as t is the third proportion only. Already I explained that once. 1 2 3 4, but we will call it as 1 2 2 3. If the middle two are same, we will call it as 1 2 2 3. Now arrangement in the ratio form. 1.2 is to 0.6 is equal to 0.6 is to x. POE POM. Now that x is equal to 1.2 0.6 into 0.6 by 1.2, which is combined with x will come to the denominator. So changing of the fraction form, 6 by 10 into 6 by 10 by 12 by 10, which is equal to 6 by 10 into 6 by 10 into 10 by 12 reciprocal. Taking off 10 by 12 reciprocal, 10 cancel, 6 table 1 time, 2 times, 2 table 1 time, 3 times. This is 3 by 10, which is equal to 0.3, which is equal to 0.3. 3 by 10 is equal to 0.3, that is 3 by 10 0.3. 3 by 10 is equal to 0.3. 3 by 10 is equal to 0.3. This is the answer for this sum. Changing of double numbers. The second number we have to repeat 2 times. After repetition, POE POM. Writing of POE POM. X is equal to 0.6 into 0.2 by 1.2. 6 by 10 into 6 by 10, 12. 12 will become reciprocal. Cancellation 3 by 10. 3 by 10 means 0.3. And the next sum now for us is. The next question is given 1 kg 250 grams and 500 grams. This one solution, we know 1 kg means 1000 grams. So 1 kg 250 grams is equal to 1 kg means 1000 plus 1 kg means 1000 plus 250, which is equal to 1250 grams. Now writing of the question, 1250 grams, comma 500 grams, comma 500 grams, comma x let. We are taking as x let. The sum is changed as like this. 1 kg 250 is changed as 1250, 500 grams and 500 grams. Middle two are same. Now writing in the form of ratio form, 1250 is to 500 is equal to 500 is to x. POE POM. That means x format will come. X is equal to 500 into 500 first set. The number form middle ones by the other one is 1250 is equal to 0 0. Cancellation in 25 table 2 times. 25 to is 50. 25 to is 50. 25 5 is 125. 5 table 1 time 100 times. That is equal to 200 grams. The fourth proportion is 200 grams. The fourth one is 200 grams. The fourth proportion is 200 grams. Cancellation, writing that once. Another one sum. Here is another sum, same model in this sum. Another sum is 2 rupees 40 pice, 4 rupees 80 pice. What we have to find in this sum is the third proportion. What do you have to find? Third proportion. Third proportion means the middle one means second one will become writing off 2 times. So writing off solution 2.40 comma rupees 4.80 comma rupees 4.80 comma x. Let the fourth proportion will become x. So writing in the form of proportionality 2.40 is to 4.80 is equal to 4.80 is to x, POE, POM. Now that x will become as x is equal to 4.80 into 4.80 by 2.40 changing into the fraction form 480 by 100, point will changes as 1 and 2 zeros into 480 by 100 by 240 by 100. Taking off reciprocal 480 by 100 into 480 by 100 into again 480 by 100 into 480 by 100 into 100 by 240. This will become as reciprocal. Now this 100 will cancel. 0, 0 cancel. 24 table 1 time, 4 times. 24 2 times. 24 48 into 2. 48 into 2 is 96. 0 0 cancel by 10. 96 by 10 means 9.6. 96 by 10 means 9.6. 96 by 10 which is equal to 9.6. 96 by 10 which is equal to 9.6. Once again see the cancellation 0 0 100 100 0 0. 24 table 2 times 48. Multiplication 24 is 4 times. So 48 into 2. 48 into 2 is 96. 96 by 10 is 9.6. It will cancel, but we want in the form of decimal form. So x is equal to, therefore our sum answer x 9.6. X is equal to 9.6. With this 7th chapter is completed, and next one we are starting with the chapter number 9, percentage. What is called percentage? 8th chapter is not there. Percentage. What is called percentage? Out of every 100, last year you know that one percentage. So here you are doing this sum in this class about percentage. So thank you for today.